guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with a updated wash day routine, perfect for this time of the year when I hope all of us are on our fitness journey, which means sometimes we have to shampoo and style our hair a little bit more frequent. I typically shampoo my hair twice a week. This time of the year when the weather hits above about 70 degrees. My workouts are infused with a lot of cardio, which means I am sweating from head to toe, and I don't mind because I know that I'm getting the best results when my body does produce that sweat. And it also makes it very, very easy for me to come home, shampoo my hair when I have products that I know are going to work, and without fail, I'm going to love the end result. Big thanks to Mixed Chicks for partnering with me on this video because they know that I am also on a fitness journey. They have been essential in me growing out my hair several times, and this phase of my life is no different. I love to get a lot of moisture in my hair. I love to be able to switch it from curly to straight. I love to, against my hairstylist wishes, pull my hair on the top of my head. Baby, that's right, to a tip top of my head for those extreme workouts, because you know what, I'm really going to the gym not necessarily to be cute, but to be way cute after I leave the gym. So again, big thanks to Mixed Chicks for sending these products over so I can share them with you all. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this wash day routine.
Nothing I love more than freshly shampooed hair, especially hair that has tons of moisture in it, and that starts with my Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. I'm actually going to work that through the ends of my hair and all the way around the perimeter just to give me just the right amount of moisture before I add the hair silk. This is one of their thermal treatments that I absolutely love to apply to the ends of my hair and working it as well through the middle, making sure every coil gets a little bit of love. And then we'll start to separate the hair out, and you'll see that my curls are fully still intact. So I definitely like to go through and blow dry very evenly with my Dyson hair dryer. I will say that this combination of products as well as the Dyson gets me through the blow dry process very quickly, and it actually makes the silk press last a lot longer as well. I'm going to only section my hair in maybe 3 quadrants, and you'll find that I don't typically part my hair a whole lot because it starts to group, and this is going to give me tons and tons of body in the end of the blow dry process. You'll see that the hair is already starting to have a lot of movement. It's already starting to show that shine. That is a good indicator of a good combination of products. Also, we have to give big kudos to my hairstylist, Miss Jeannie, out of Augusta, Georgia. She makes sure that my hair, although it's still extremely fine, we have moved to a blunt haircut, and I typically get my hair colored or trimmed about every 5 to 6 weeks to maintain this style. Now we're going to move into the flat ironing process. Again, we're going to separate the hair out. I am going to move through the flat ironing process pretty quickly just by separating it out. In the back, you'll see that I really only need to do 1 pass, and I really enjoyed that process because I could probably shampoo, blow dry, style my hair in about 30 minutes using this process. So even though some people consider shampoo or wash day a time-consuming process, I don't, and I actually really enjoy it. That shine is really starting to come through now, and it's going to have tons of bounce, which I just think that makes me want to shampoo my hair even more frequently than I do. But with my workouts, as you can tell by those guns showing, I typically wear my hair up, and this is a good length for me to get maximum styling options, and that's going to be extremely important in the next upcoming days, because if you guys don't know, I am competing in the Ms. Georgia competition. It's coming up June 27th through 29th, and Mixed Chicks is a big sponsor of my beauty routines, so big shout out to them for sending me these products for you guys to see how they process through my hair. Looking at the side perimeter, this is where I am a little bit more detailed. I will work through the sides and the top of my hair a little bit more, just to make sure that I'm getting that extreme silkening process. This is where I do most of the maintenance on my hair. This is where the style really comes through as well, just in the top. Although my hair is really fine, I think right in the center of my head, as well as through the front bang portion, that is what takes the most beating, and this is where I can really tell that my hair texture is a little bit different. I really will go back and add a little bit more of the hair silk, and that gives that hair just that added bit of shine that it could lack, because it does take quite a beating throughout the week by pulling it up in a tight pony, as well as using the flat ironing. And I don't really concentrate on doing one pass. I just kind of know how my hair feels. If it feels a little bit more dense, then I'm going to work it through, just to make sure that the hair is looking basically the same all the way around my head. And you'll see that I'm adding just one more drop of that hair silk, just all the way around the coils, just to make sure that that hair gets the coating of hydration that it needs. And of course, we want the maximum amount of shine, and it's a great humidity repellent, especially living here in Georgia. I'm trying to tell you, nothing like a good silk press that you can do at home. And there we are. We've come to the end of this video. I'm hoping you guys have enjoyed. Make sure that you comment down below if any of these products you have already used, that you see my wash day routine. If not, you can head over to my Instagram page at love_Kiani. Make sure you pick up your products at www.mixedchicks.net. And until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll see you next time. Bye.